Hello and welcome to African Online School of Applied Research Skill. And in this video tutorial, we are going to learn on how to create your user profile in Aosars e-learning system. And we want to get straight to it and be able to do that from a practical perspective. So the first thing is to access your browser, and then you can go to Google where you can do the search and you can be able to type African online school of applied research skills. And then you search, and the first item that appears, we have aosars.com. So you click on that. And the website for African Online School of Applied Research Skill is displayed. And we want to go straight to log in. So you click on the log in, and the login option is going to give us two diverse options. Number one is sign up, and this is for new learners who are creating their user profile for the first time, and for the learners coming back to the site or to the system, this is where they are going to log in from. Now, because we don't have a profile, then we need to sign up. So we choose the country. So what is our country? And we can say our country, for example, is Ghana. Okay. So you can go and look for Ghana. Where is Ghana? There we are. And then what is your user profile? Then you can say our user profile is a PhD candidate, if we are a PhD candidate, and then we are asked, where are we affiliated? So where are we doing our studies from? If you had put you are a researcher, a research practitioner, then which is your research institute? If you had put other, and maybe you say that trainer, then which is the institution that you are training for? So we put our institutional affiliation. So let's say University of Cape Coast, just as an example. Then academic discipline. So we can be able to say maybe academic discipline. If the student is undertaking project management, then you can say project management. Then you're able to populate the names, first name, last name. So let's assume this student is called James Wetu. So we can say James Wetu there, and we can create a profile, James Wetu, for example, as a username. And this username is what you are going to use to log in. You can see when you say welcome back, it has an option for username, and you can use your username or your password or your email address, and either of them will work. And then now we can populate our email address. So jameswetu2030@gmail.com. Then we can put a password of our choice. Okay, so for example, I'm just putting a password. You need to create a strong password. If the password is weak, the system itself will prompt you and tell you this is a weak password. So click on create account. And now you can see the user interface. This is what, once you log in, this is what you see. And you can see we don't have any courses as of now, no enrolled course, no active course, no completed course. And since we are creating our profile, what is this other thing that remains? You can click here to set your profile photo, and which is an optional. You can also come but advisable, optional but advisable. You can also come to setting to complete your profile. And on the setting, It gives you more options for profile. This is also where you change your password if you want to change your password. Social profile is where you are able to put in your social handles. So under profile, you can be able to upload your photo again. If you had not previously done that, then you can do it here. You can also be able to upload the cover photo. So these are optional things that you could do to enhance your profile. Then you can see your name there, username. You can add your phone number. You can add your occupation. You can put your bio. So your bio is just a short profile of who you are, what you do, what are your academic interests, your research interests, and so on and so forth. And then once you are done, then you are able to click on update profile. And that is how to create your user profile on African Online School of Applied Research Skill e-learning system. So thank you, and I hope each one of you will be able to comfortably create your own user profile.